Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Ani. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Rizky Amelejani, in 100. So here I will share how to make one solution, sodium hydroxide solution. Before making it, make sure you wear a complete PPE like handscoon, lab coat, shoes lab, and mask. So, first of all, before we making it, we need to know what the materials and the tool. Okay, we have a sodium hydroxide, digital scale, funnel, dropper, spatula, spray bottle with distilled water, beaker glass, measuring flask. So, these are the materials and the tool. Let's move on to the procedure. Before making it, we need to know how many grams of sodium hydroxide are needed to make 1 molarity sodium hydroxide acid. Okay, M is equal to gram per relative molecule mass multiplied by 1000 per volume. Since we are going to make 1 molarity sodium hydroxide, we enter it. So 1 is equal to gram per relative molecular mass multiplied by 1000 per 100, which is equal to 4. From the calculation above, the sodium hydroxide weighing is 4 gram. Now we will go to the procedures. First, prepare a digital scale and spatula. Open and weigh 4 gram of sodium hydroxide. When weighing, you need to be very precious because it must be exactly 4 grams. Weighing! Let's weighing! After weighing, do not forget to close it tightly because sodium hydroxide absorbs water. And store in a dry place. Next is the distillation process. Here, we put sodium hydroxide into a beaker. Do not forget to rinse the weighing container with water so that no sodium hydroxide remains. We rinse it using distilled water. After that, add 30 milliliters of water to the beaker to dissolve or homogenize the sodium hydroxide. Then add more water until the scale on the beaker reads 18 milliliters and homogenize again. Next, prepare distilled water, a measuring flask, a funnel, and a beaker filled with 80 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. Transfer the dissolved sodium hydroxide into a measuring flask. There is a funnel on top of the measuring flask to make it easier to pour the liquid. Pour slowly so it doesn't spill. Don't forget to rinse the beaker glass again with the water to ensure no residue remains. Oh yeah, don't forget to rinse the funnel with the water so it doesn't get damaged. Okay, the next step is add water until it reaches the lower meniscus using a measuring pipette. When looking at the meniscus, our eyes must be level with the measuring flask. Okay, why we use a lower meniscus? Because the liquid is clear, so the lower meniscus is used. If the liquid is dark, the upper meniscus is used. After that, close it and homogenize it as shown in the video. But also like this, like number 8.
After all this time, finally the sodium hydroxide is totally done.